In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your website's navigation styling in just a few easy steps. Whether you're aiming to match your site's aesthetic with your brand or simply want a fresh new look, tweaking the navigation styling can make a significant impact on your site's overall appearance. Let's start by accessing the design settings. Once you're logged into your site editor, you'll want to look for the Design tab. This is typically found in the main menu of your editor, and it's where all your customization options reside. Clicking on the design option will open a range of design features tailored to adjusting the visual aspects of your website. It's all about ensuring your site embodies the look and feel you're going for. Next, navigate to the Site Styles section within the design menu. Site Styles is where you can delve into more detailed customizations, focusing on the various elements that comprise your website's overall style. It's an area brimming with opportunities to align the website's aesthetic closely with your vision. Within Site Styles, you'll find an option specifically for navigation styling. This is your treasure trove for fiddling with everything related to your navigation bar's appearance, not just position and layout, but also colors, fonts, and even how items respond when you hover over them. Spend a moment exploring these settings. Adjusting colors might involve choosing a palette that complements your main site colors, or experimenting with fonts until you land on one that echoes the tone and professionalism of your brand. A cohesive and eye-catching navigation bar can greatly enhance the user experience, making your site both intuitive and visually appealing. Once you've made your decisions and adjusted the settings to your satisfaction, ensure that everything displays correctly and works as intended by previewing your changes. It's always a good practice to check how the navigation looks not only on a desktop but also on mobile devices, as responsiveness is key to a seamless user experience across all platforms. Finally, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. After you've tweaked the navigation styling and confirmed that all elements are in place, be sure to hit that save button. This ensures all your hard work is locked in and visible to your site visitors. Nothing dampens the excitement of a redesign more than realizing changes weren't saved, so always double check this last step. And there you have it, personalizing your website's navigation like a pro. With just a few adjustments, you've now given your site a refreshed look that better aligns with your brand identity and aesthetic preferences. Remember, consistent branding and easy navigation can greatly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. So these small design elements are much more than simple visual tweaks. They're vital components of successful website design. Keep experimenting and have fun with it.